Hey friends, welcome to Fun Kids World. Are you ready to see some amazing sports cars? Look, here comes a shiny red sports car. It's driving super fast up a big ramp. The red car is flying through the air. Splash! It dives right into a big pool of red liquid. Wow, look at all that red splashing everywhere. The red car comes out all sparkly and bright red. So cool. Now look, here comes a blue sports car. It's so fast. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The blue car races up the ramp. Up, up, up it goes. Splash! The blue car dives into a giant pool of blue liquid. Blue drops are flying everywhere. What a big splash that was. The blue car pops up looking super shiny and blue. Beautiful. Oh wow. Here comes another car. It's a yellow sports car. Can you say yellow? The yellow car is speeding toward the ramp. It goes so fast. The yellow car launches off the ramp and flies high in the sky. Splash! Right into a pool of bright yellow liquid. Yellow is everywhere. It looks like sunshine. The yellow car swims out looking golden and sparkly. 3 cars have jumped so far. Red, blue, and yellow. What color do you think is next? Look! A green sports car is coming. It's driving super duper fast. The green car zooms up the ramp and launches into the air. Splash! It dives into a huge pool of green liquid. Green splashes go so high. The green car comes out looking like a beautiful emerald. So pretty. And here comes one more. A purple sports car. Purple is so cool. The purple car races up the ramp really fast. Splash! Into the purple pool it goes. Purple liquid splashes like a fountain. Amazing. Now something really special is happening. All 5 cars line up together. Red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. They all drive up a giant rainbow ramp together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. They all jump at the same time. Super splash! They all dive into one enormous rainbow pool. Every color is mixing and splashing. It's the biggest, most colorful splash ever. Look at all the beautiful rainbow drops in the sky. Now all the cars drive through a sparkly car wash. Bubbles everywhere. The cars come out super clean and shiny. Each one their perfect color. The cars all honk their horns to say goodbye. Beep beep. Great job learning your colors today, friends. We saw red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. See you next time on Fun Kids World. Bye-bye.